Reviving Nigeria's national shipping power, integrating maritime renaissance with the blue economy vision. Hello, and welcome to SeaMayors Digital Hub, where we explore the pulse of Africa's maritime transformation, innovation, and global trade evolution. I am Chris. Today, we discuss one of the most powerful ideas shaping Nigeria's maritime destiny, the rebirth of our national shipping strength under the blue economy framework. Nigeria once stood tall with a proud fleet, the Nigerian National Shipping Line, NNSL, which carried our flag across oceans, created jobs, and generated huge revenue. But that legacy faded. Now, as we move into a digital and sustainability driven era, the question is simple: can we bring that glory back, smarter, stronger, and more sustainable? The legacy and lessons. The Nigerian National Shipping Line was founded in 1959, initially in partnership with Elder Dempster and Palm Line, and later became wholly owned by Nigeria. It operated vessels across global trade routes, supported coastal deliveries, and created jobs for thousands of Nigerians, from deck officers to engineers and stevedores. But by the late 1980s, the story changed. Corruption, poor management, political interference, and lack of fleet renewal led to its collapse. By 1995, NNSL was liquidated, a tragic end for what could have been a cornerstone of Nigeria's maritime pride. That failure, however, left us valuable lessons. 1. Professionalism must replace politics. 2. Transparency must guide management. 3. Technology must drive operations. The blue economy. Opportunity. Fast forward to today. A new chapter is unfolding. Nigeria now has a federal Ministry of Marine and Blue Economy, a direct acknowledgement that our seas, ports, and coastlines are strategic economic assets. The blue economy focuses on shipping, ports, fisheries, offshore energy, tourism, and digital innovation, all integrated under one sustainable growth agenda. It's estimated that the global blue economy is worth over $1.5 trillion annually, and Nigeria, with its vast coastline and trade volume, stands at the center of that opportunity. So, reviving a national or domestic shipping strategy is no longer a nostalgic idea, it's an economic necessity. How to revolutionize the process. The goal is not to rebuild the old NNSL, but to create a modern, efficient, and digitally driven national carrier that aligns with today's realities. Step 1. Define the focus. Start with coastal and regional trade, short sea shipping, petroleum logistics, agro-export cargo, and interport movement. Step 2. Structure the ownership. Use a public-private partnership PPP model. The government provides policy support, while private investors bring capital, expertise, and efficiency. Step 3. Leverage digital and green technologies. Adopt AI-based scheduling, blockchain cargo tracking, digital manifests, and low-emission hybrid vessels. Make automation a pillar of efficiency. Step 4. Build skills and capacity. Empower young seafarers, maritime engineers, and logistics analysts through training, internships, and international collaborations. Step 5. Secure policy support, implement cabotage protection, cargo reservation laws, and tax incentives for vessels under the Nigerian flag. Why this vision makes sense? 1. It retains foreign exchange. Billions currently paid to foreign carriers can stay within the Nigerian economy. 2. It creates jobs. Seafarers, shipyard workers, logistics experts, port handlers all benefit. 3. It strengthens sovereignty. Nigeria becomes less dependent on foreign shipping for vital supplies. 4. It expands government revenue through taxes, port dues, and increased export competitiveness. 5. It anchors the blue economy policy. Shipping becomes the core driver of Nigeria's ocean-based growth. Challenges and the road ahead. Yes, challenges exist. Vessel financing, corruption, outdated port systems, and policy inconsistency, but they can be solved through phased implementation, digital transparency, and independent oversight. Nigeria must start small, prove success, and scale fast, focusing first on domestic and regional routes before global expansion. The dream of a Nigerian maritime renaissance is not a fantasy, it's within reach. The tools, policies, and partners exist. What's needed is commitment, clarity, and collaboration. Reviving a national shipping presence under the blue economy agenda is more than transportation. It's about national pride, job creation, and economic diversification. If you believe in Nigeria's maritime future, then share this message, subscribe to SeaMayors Digital Hub, and be part of the movement to reposition Nigeria as a true maritime powerhouse. Stay professional, stay visionary, and keep navigating your success. Subscribe us, like, comment, share. See 2025 SeaMayors Maritime, www.seamayors.com, info@seamayors.com.